Hello, everyone. A very good evening to all of you. I hope all of you are doing great. It's me, Porosh, once again before you. So now I'm here at my home because it's evening time and I don't have any bad habits to stay outside at night because I'm a good boy. Okay, so just look at my left. There is my pet animal, Pablo. She's lying after this door, so it's really nice, and she loves to stay very close to me, and I also love her very much. Okay, so today in this video I want to tell you something important. Recently I have started teaching some students online, and there is a reason behind it. Few days ago I asked some tips from a great English speaker in our country, and he gave me some tips how can I improve my English. And then he suggested me that, brother, if you want to improve your English speaking skill, then you should teach some students. And then I think about this, and I think it's positive for me if I teach some students. It will give me an opportunity to learn more and more, and at the same time it will give me an opportunity to earn some money. That's why past 3 or 4 days I had been looking for some students, and fortunately I got 4 students, and now I teach 4 students online, and it's really great for me, and I already got some salary from my students. So that's why I'm over the moon at this moment, and every family members of my family, they are very happy. In the afternoon when I came from my coaching, that time I withdraw some money from my Bikash account, and then I gave it to my mother. And in the evening time my mother went to market, and then she bought a chicken and pulao rice for our family, and then we will take it in for our dinner. So that's why now I'm very eagerly waiting for this for our dinner. Okay, so my mother now, she is cooking this, and I hope within a very short time her cooking will be finished, and then we will eat together. And it's really fantastic, to be honest, for me, because teaching others, it's a good way to improve myself. At the same time I'm helping others in their learning English journey. Day by day I'm improving, and at the same time I also help others. So yeah, this is very good thing for me. And I think that if I continue my journey, then something good will be happen, and I'm sure about it. But for that reason I should stay in my habit, because if I do something bad, then I won't able to achieve my goals, to I won't able to reach my goals, right? So that is why it's very important for me. Okay, so yeah, this is the thing. Every family members, they are very happy that I'm doing something good at this moment. And I'm very young now, although I have enough time in future to do a lot of good things, but I have started doing good things from now on. So that's a good thing. That's wonderful for me, and I'm really happy. I'm proud that I'm doing some good works, and that's why nowadays people just showing to me their love, their appreciation. And that's something what we actually want from people as a human being. So I'm really happy, to be honest. Although I have been taking some online classes from more from evening time, and I already took 2 online classes, and I have another online class which will start from 9 p.m. So that's why now I have been preparing for this, and I hope I will continue my journey. No matter how much obstacles comes, it doesn't matter for me. I will confront them and I will play them. Okay, so that's all for now. I'm just share my happiness with you, and I'm really happy today. So everyone, stay well, stay safe. Have a good night to all of you. Take care of yourself. Bye for now.